In this video, I'll be showing you how to back up and restore your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's really simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it with whatever iPhone you have. It doesn't really matter. So the first thing you want to do is go over to your settings application. Now, once you're here on the very top, go ahead and click on your name where it has Apple account, iCloud, and everything like that. Once you click on it, you're going to see iCloud as the fifth option, so just go to that. Now, the first thing you want to do is when you scroll down, you're going to see iCloud backup as one of the options. And where it says backup this iPhone, make sure it's enabled. If the backup hasn't been done in a while though, you can press backup now as well at the bottom, and then it's going to be backing up. It might take a few minutes, up to like 30 minutes, depending on your internet and also how much data you have on your phone and everything you're backing up. Now, if you want to change exactly what you're backing up, you can go back and then you're going to see save to iCloud as one of the options. Now, this is where you can manage your backup and manage exactly what's put in your backup. So over here, you can see iCloud Photos, iCloud Drive, basically a lot of different things. And you can even see if you want to save anything from different apps as well, you could go ahead and change it here. Now, once everything is backed up and you press back up now, this is when you're going to be able to restore your iPhone and fully reset it if you want to. So what you would have to go ahead and do is go ahead to general like so, scroll down until you see transfer or reset iPhone. Then you're going to see erase all content and settings as one of the options. It's going to say erase this iPhone. Erasing it will sign out of your Apple account and remove your personal data so this iPhone can be given away safely or traded and given away. So it's going to erase everything, but since you're going to have that backup, whenever you sign back into your iCloud account, you're going to be able to restore everything that you previously saved, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.